Well, as you know, Georgia has 7 deadlies. You know, when there's a victim involved, and you know, if a gun's involved in a crime and someone's hurt with that weapon, burglary, you know, a person's home is their castle. You don't go into a person's home. And in fact, if they are repeat offenders, if they have repeated the same type of offense, and some of them, quite frankly, it's real easy to see. We've all seen horrific pictures of what one human being can do to another. Those are real easy. A 17-year-old kid breaking into a car is real easy to say that you're just mad at him. It's the ones where they're starting to move from, there's that middle ground where you're not sure, and that's where the discretion comes in. And how do you know that? You have to trust the prosecutor and the defense lawyer to do that. If I mentioned that, you know, the judge wants negotiated settlements coming in, you have to rely on your counsel that's in front of you. As a prosecutor, that's what we get to determine. You know, we make recommendations to the defense lawyers. They either take it or they don't. They take it to their client. And if it's not, that's how you get a trial. It's an innate feel that you get over 22 years of doing this. You know, up here you've got 75 years of experience in determining the difference between mad at and scared. I hope that answers your question.
To answer your question, first of all, I think it's a poor characterization, actually. I don't think that the judge should have the temperament that one should be angry at the defendants. I think that's a bad forum for a defendant or any litigant to have to come before. Now, how do you judge how defendants, if they are going to be violent or a danger to our community, or someone that should get the benefit of a program? I think that is a different characterization. I think the way that you tell whether a defendant is going to be harmful to the community is, quite frankly, the past behavior is indicative of the future behavior. Meaning, did you shoot someone? That's a problem. And it's a problem if it happens in South Fulton or Hateville or on Bankhead Highway or in Alpharetta or North Fulton or anywhere in our community. And so people that will hurt people anywhere in this community, a judge's responsibility is to sentence them for the crime that they committed. The defendants that you are disappointed in, maybe, if that's even an appropriate thing, you have a young kid and you see he's making bad decisions, you put that young defendant into a tough program, a program where they have to give community service and pay back restitution and make a victim whole and certainly do things that benefit our community so we don't see them again. But no, I don't think it's a good characterization to say angry. I think there are some defendants or some people that commit acts that it is clear from their behavior you have to protect society from them. And there are some defendants based on their behavior and their history and their acts that can help.